Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies with 3 ingredients in the microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. These common pantry staples are all it takes to create a delicious treat in minutes. No fancy equipment or extensive baking experience is required for this easy recipe. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir everything together really well until it forms a consistent, pliable dough. Once mixed, take small portions of the dough and roll them into 1-inch balls. You should get about 12 to 15 cookies from this batch. Next, arrange your dough balls on a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. Gently flatten each ball with a fork, creating that classic cookie crisscross pattern. Microwave them for 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times vary, so start with 60 seconds and add more if needed until they look set but still soft. Once microwaved, let your cookies cool on the plate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. They will be very soft initially but will firm up as they cool, becoming perfectly chewy. These quick and easy cookies are a fantastic way to satisfy a sweet craving without much effort. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.